Welcome friends in this video show. I am going to discuss about the English and the age of globalization. This is a sub topic under the English needs and in the DLED course, B.Ed course under the pedagogy of English. This topic under the main topic needs and importance of English is very important one, and English is the first language of Australia, USA, England and Canada. Majority of publication, particularly the international level, magazines, papers, research papers, etc. published in the English. English is also medium of communication throughout the world. It has no boundary. It is spoken, it is a communicative language throughout the world, in all corners of the world. Discovery of different types of technologies, especially in the case of communication technology, just like the multimedia, cell phone, internet, etc. It has given a broad avenues in the world as a majority language. It is importance. It is a tool of communication throughout the world. Following are the some fields where English is used, English language is used, and these activities favor the English as a world language in the age of globalization. The techniques which are used in different locations of the world help to globalize English. Now the activities where English language is used for the higher education. The first and foremost important field where English is used is the higher education. A standard for the promotion in the jobs, lucrative jobs, good salaries, admission in reputed institutions, powerful tool of the knowledge, business transaction. It is itself a powerful tool. But I am not going to avoid the mother tongue. Mother tongue is very, very important, and mother tongue is medium for the learning English. Mother tongue is acquired where the English is learned. For the higher education, all over the world, majority of higher education are transacted through the medium of English. The professional degrees such as MBA, engineering, medical sciences, etc. are studied in English. Even in our country, the internationally reputed and recognized IGNOU transact the courses in English medium. Majority of courses of IGNOU run in English medium. Some courses have no choice to select the medium of instruction except English medium. The Master Arts of Distance Education, it is internationally recognized degree held in the open distance learning, has no option except English medium. Lucrative jobs. The multinational companies advertise the application should have good command over the written and spoken skills of the English. It is the first and the most important criteria for the selection of the candidate. They never consider the voluminous degree except good command over the writing and speaking of English language. What will be the fate of degrees such as MBA, engineering, medical sciences without knowing English? Keeping in the mind of this dominant situation, first of all from the pre-primary, the medium English schools are chosen by the guardians for their dependent. This is the prime cause of mushrooming of the public school even in the remotest rural areas in the country. Standard for promotion. In the private jobs, the standard criteria for the promotion are considered on the basis of English knowledge. Even the waiters in the 5-star hotels are promoted to their higher level only due to whether they have improved at a standard level of speaking in English. So even only speaking of English facilitates the promotion. We can say that the English is a reliable tool for promotion. Good salaries. The salaries of the employees are also decided on the basis of a standard of his/her knowledge of English language. There are large numbers of examples where the clerks get higher salaries and perks compared to the engineers and other professionals in the same organization. It is due to the experiences and knowledge of the English language. Admission in reputed institutions. The internationally recognized and reputed institutions required English knowing students. First of all, the institutions fixed some criteria for admission. Many educational institutions consider the students either having good English skills or not. There are some internationally tests such as TOEFL, which organize tests of English of world level standard. These prestigious tests are internationally conducted by the agencies. The students who have cleared these tests considered for admission in the internationally reputed institutions. Powerful tool of knowledge. World level books are published in English. Even the translated works are done from English into local languages, but the translated works are not so effective compared to the original English. We can cite some examples of Encyclopedia Britannica. It is not a complete example, but majority of these sources of knowledge have been written in the English. The children may be deprived from the authentic information without knowing the English language. Communication. English language is a good tool for communication. Throughout the world, we can communicate from English. Even in our country, English is a good and appropriate tool for communication from south to north, from east to west. It is considered by the Indian historians that after the introduction of English as a medium of instruction by Lord Macaulay in the year 1835 facilitated closure of the Indians having different base of regional languages. Business transaction. The business transaction is not confined to local activities, but it has large avenues. The primary, secondary and tertiary services require the knowledge of English for broad communication with diverse types of customers. Is it possible to operate the business without the internet operation? Knowledge of English is essential for operating the internet. For this, day-to-day institutions are mushrooming to provide training for the spoken English. Language of power. The language are itself a good power. Among the other languages, the demand of English is high. Whatever may be the different situation, the English language works as a great power like a technical tool, software, etc. But we can conclude here, on any cost, mother tongue should be respected. But to survive in the change scenario, we have to become an expert in the speaking and writing ability in English language. Now, the professional English fulfills the respected demands in this scenario. There are some questions we have to answer. The questions are two types, the short term and for the long term type. Essay type questions. Following are the essay type questions. The first one, why English is called as the global language? Discuss its importance. Second question, why the demand of English language has increased? Discuss in the context of its importance. Third question, what is the status of English language in global scenario? These are the essay type question. Now the short type and notes type questions. The first, English and the age of globalization. Importance of English. TOEFL.
स्वागत है मित्रों।
ये वीडियो का कलेक्शन और फिर उसके बाद एडिट का काम काफ़ी सावधानी के साथ किया गया है, लेकिन मैं आशा करता हूँ कि इसमें बहुत सारी त्रुटियाँ रह गई होंगी और उन त्रुटियों को मुझे जो दिखाई पड़ा उन त्रुटियों को मैं सुधारने का प्रयास किया। लेकिन होता क्या है कि वीडियोग्राफी के बाद बहुत सारी बातों को हम सुधार नहीं सकते हैं या कमियों को दूर नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन तभी मित्रों जो संभव हुआ सॉफ्टवेयर में उन कमियों को दूर करने का प्रयास मैं किया। मित्रों, वीडियो का जो क्लिप जिन्होंने लिया और भी जितने भी लोग इस कार्यक्रम में प्रत्यक्ष या अप्रत्यक्ष रूप में सहयोग दिया उन सभी का मैं आभार व्यक्त कर रहा